Hey, what's up everybody? It's Isaac Ramirez coming to you with the word of the day. Today's word of the day is homeowners association. Yes, HOA. Now I'm gonna give you a moment to Google it and get your definition of it. And once again, I'll throw my spin on it. So go ahead and take a gander and check out that Google. Like Zillow and all those other companies pop up as you Googled it, they probably did. But anyhow, we're gonna move on. So HOA, Homeowners Association, simply it is a governing body of individuals that live in the community that have a vote of how their community should be held. Now, remember, not every HOA has a huge budget or security or gated communities. Not every HOA is in a gated community. Not every gated community is in an HOA. Something to look at when you're looking to buy a property. An HOA is just something that a neighborhood has imposed to do things such as whether it be street lighting, because not every city takes care of it. Sometimes HOAs do. Flowering beds, sometimes the front yard of somebody's home, or even the roof of a home, a house, or a condo. So when you talk about homeowners associations, doesn't apply to condos all the time. It does apply to sometimes single-family residences in neighborhoods that do not have gates. But it could be something that they have a budget put forth for things like parks and community sets and things like that so the neighborhood could enjoy. So HOA, are they a good thing? I actually enjoy them. Are they a bad thing? Not necessarily, but think about it like this. Would you appreciate living in a neighborhood where your neighbor was able to add a third story to their home and it looks like, I don't know, maybe like Elon Musk's new Tesla truck? I mean, for those that like it, great. But think about that like on the roof of a house. HOAs help you to protect you with that. Don't get it confused with CC&Rs. We went over that in the last video, but for the most part, check it out. You have an HOA, find out what the rules are. Can't have chickens in that front yard maybe, who knows? Anyhow, take care.